Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures for your headphones Sony earbuds. Before we starting, I wanna set that I customize gestures. By default it's just playback to play, pause and play next track. So I changed it for the left one. I choose volume control to lower and increase the volume, and for the right one I choose select song to play next song and previous song. So let's test it. If you press 2 times on your left earbud, you will increase the volume, and if you will press 3 times, you will lower the volume. So let's check it. Now I should play a song, and I press 2 times on my left earbud and I increase the song, and again. Here we go. Now I will press 3 times to lower the volume. And again. And again. Here we go. Now for the right one, if you press 2 times, you will play next song, and if you press 3 times, you will play previous song. So let's test it. Oh, I should play it again. Now I will press 2 times to play next song. Here we go, and now I press 3 times to play previous song. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!